on, go with it.
Okay, on the count of three, fellas.
Already moved around.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sorry, you can't go right now. You don't want to breathe it. You don't. Okay, but you don't want to breathe that in.
So you gotta wait. If you had to go around the stadium, it would take you 10 minutes at
if
least.
that's the case, you're going to go around this way and take it right out the corner.
No, I'm going to miss it anyway. So how much longer?
They gotta declare this clear.
Till you get a clear from the Department of Buildings, you can go through. You don't want to breathe that in anyways. Trust me.
All right. Just being in South Bronx. Every time I come here for sport, I want to shoot myself.
Yeah, but how many people can you now tell about this?
I don't care. I don't even like the year.
Hey, you don't, but other people do. Still videoing?
There's smoke going across the field.
Listen. By the time you get there, you'll be ready to go down.